Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Urmisha Patel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a dumbbell chart, which is also known as a barbell chart. As you can see, I have created this dumbbell chart on male and female, where I'm trying to compare like which are the toppings that a male and female would love to have on their pizza. So on this dashboard, I have shown that how a dumbbell chart helps you in comparison between the two fields, or you can say between the two categories. So if you are planning to work a kind of a comparison between more than two categories, then dumbbell chart is not ideally for it. So here in this example, we are going to see how dumbbell chart works for two different fields and how you can apply and work around on this. So let's create this same dumbbell chart on this male and female over to their toppings on their pizza. For this, click on this new worksheet, and this is my pizza data set. It's just a sample data. They have the following fields like topping, which is the only dimension field they have. Rest of them are the measured fields like female, male, and total pizza count. So let's start creating our dumbbell chart. Drag this topping and put it to the row shelf. So these are the toppings. Now to create the dumbbell chart between those two fields, as I told earlier, between male and female. So drag this male field and put it onto the columns. You will see automatically a bar chart is going to create. Now to create a combined chart, drag this female and put it onto the axis. You will see the combined chart is going to create. So for every toppings you have male and female and their bar chart ready. Now click on this measure values and create another one and put it just next to that in this column shelf. The same two charts is going to create just next to it. Now drag this measure name from this row and put it to the color over here. You will see the color I've been given to that male and female. Right now, as I have selected that female and male as red and yellow in color, so that's why it's giving you the default. You can change from this color and edit the color for that male and female. You can do so. But right now, I'll keep this as it is. Now, the main thing is we want to have those circles and a line between which define as a bar. So for this, what I'll do is on this first measure values, this gonna highlight it and I want to change this and make it as a circle. So you will see now this one, the first one which defining this chart, I'll now change to the circle. For the second one, we will need to change it to the line. So for that, again, click on this measure value from this second measure value from this column shelf, and now change this automatic bar to the line. So this is how the line is gonna be selected. Now the next is on the same measure value, this on this marks card, from the measure name which is there right now on the color, drag it and put it onto the path. Now we'll see the straight line is going to create. So this is how the circles and the lines are now created. Now I think if you have watched my previous videos, then in such scenario when you want to combine, you have to apply a dual chart. So similarly here as well, we are going to apply a dual axis here. So from this more option of the second measure value, I will click on this dual axis, and yeah, our double chart is ready. But the thing is, you can see this line which is there in the front and the circles are at the back side. So just to rearrange all this, drag this measure value which is there in the first on the column shell, the one which is in the front, drag this and put it next to the second one now. So this is how the arrangement is set. Now the lines come at the back end and the circles are at the front now. Now the next very important point is to increase the size of those chart, and so we'll simply increase the size of this. You can see the difference that how the dumbbell chart looks like, which is also known as a barbell chart. Now to remove the header with not just a header but axis and all that, you can right click over to the axis and now uncheck the show header. So that's how the headers are removed. Now to remove the grid line here, which is the column grid line, so right click over here, go to the format, and then from this line, click on this line. Within this column, select the grid line and make it none. And that's how you have removed the column lines as well. So with this few clicks, your dumbbell chart is ready. And here we have applied between the two fields, which is male and female. It's not applied on the two categories. So make sure that we have applied this dumbbell chart on two fields. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such video. Till then, happy learning.